It's okay. Morning. So we're hooked up. I know it's dark, but I'm just checking the lights on the trailer. The lights work. Perfect. We can go. It's 5 a.m. boys and girls. 5 a.m. Full tank. Now coffee time. Boo. Morning, sir. How are you today?
I'm well, how you doing?
Doing good, doing good. We made it. We made it. What is up, YouTubers? How are you, Mr. Kennedy? My name is Alex and welcome back on my channel where we fixing junk cars. And today you've probably already seen what we've got. We've got the project that I've been looking for quite some time. She's huge. She's gigantic. We just moved her here. It's the mileage. Let me show you the mileage. It's 2001 Ford Excursion. As you can see, we got some wiring issue over here. We got a bunch of wires, but look at the mileage. Yeah, I know it doesn't have leather, but who cares, right? When you have this engine under the hood, it's a 7.3 4x4. Look, there we go. And I just hooked up over here and look what I found. There was a nest and a lot of the wires is just chewed up. That's why they couldn't start the engine. But the whole wiring, also for the injector wiring, already checked. It's messed up. The squirrel was kinda, you see, there's a sign of squirrel everywhere. So we have to put brand new wiring for the engine, and then we will start digging. What else she did chewed up on this engine, and hopefully we will start it really soon. So, but as for now, she's, look, we've noticed when we picked her up like 5 inches lift here and here. I mean, she's just huge. Look, I am 6'5" and I'm barely reaching her. I mean, like, this truck is gigantic. So if you like the content like that, subscribe, like, and I will be making more video about how I restoring this project. Hopefully get some info from you, my subscribers. So stay tuned, guys. Peace.
Abundant forklift. Yeah?
What's up? Yep. Enough.
Oh no!
So we safely made it back home. I just got my dog for a walk and decided to finish this story. Well, as far as yeah, I know. You also love the new For Me excursion, right, Holly? Say hello to my subscribers. Hello. So, Holly, stop it, please, okay? This is it's not like a true excursion. It's a conversion, as far as what I get. Oh, it started to rain, Holly. You sure you want to walk? That's what the truth about being the dog owner. You still have to walk it, either it's raining or not. So, that being said, those people, they were trying to do the conversion. When I just got there, I looked up under the truck and I saw the frame is F250 because the fuel tank is kind of long and the spare tire was on the back under the trunk. And it's not an Excursion. Excursion has like 44-gallon tanks, and so I asked them, but it wasn't really much time over there, and the people just wanted to get it loaded and get rid of it, get the money, and I get it. That's fine for me as well. So I didn't ask much of the information. The lady, she just thought like, we're trying to fix the electrical issues, but you know, it won't start after that. But I saw that this is the conversion, but it's okay. So, and I looked underneath. I mean, they put kind of like a bushings between the frame and the body just to make it level. The bushings that I made a video for you guys, they're kind of like spacers between, okay? So those spacers, I mean, when you do these conversions, you can't level the body, you have to put those spacers, otherwise it will not fit. And I get it. I read a lot of stories when the people did the conversions and they did that. So, saying that, after they finished the conversion, I saw that and I showed you the squirrel. I guess they just left the truck unattended, and the squirrel started chewing everything inside. I mean, not inside the truck itself, but under the hood, and it's definitely did a lot of damage to the wiring. So, but as for me, I like such projects. I mean, I bought my F250 kind of like in the same condition. I mean, yeah, it was running, but it was running for like maybe a couple days when I bought it, and then it started stalling and started, you know, misfiring and all these tricky things that the old 7.3 will do. So, and still on my 7.3, I ended up replacing the wiring altogether. The engine, then the head gaskets and all this injector wiring, you know, because it's just an old trucks and there is no sense, you know, saving those wires, because mine were completely in the same mess. I know that they weren't chewed by the squirrel, but they were completely messed up when I got the truck. So that being said, the next video I'll just clean it up, check what I need. I already called my buddy. He has 7.3 F350 on his junkyard. I'll just stop by there, but I asked the owner about the information about the Excursion, whether it was a gas one or the diesel one. So if they will provide me this information, I will just simply, it'll help me a lot during my process of building it and just speed up the process. So I will just swap the wires, you know, all those blocks, IDM, PCM and all this kind of stuff, and hook it up and see what I will get in there. And I mean, hopefully we'll finish it soon, but meanwhile, stay tuned and I'll try to make the video as fast as I can, guys. Thank you. Yeah, Holly, that's right. This is our problem, yeah. The problem that destroys the wiring. Squirrels. Come on, let's go, baby. Come on.